quick recap. Ream Achiever gas pack arrived, no heat. Remove service panel, smelt burned out transformer. Replaced with replacement transformer. Added inline fuse. Inline fuse blew immediately. Continued troubleshooting. Discovered a short. Tested all wires to ground. All wires had continuity to ground. Remove connections. Thermostat wire to thermostat is good. Continue investigation. Pulled board. Board is good. No explosions. Contactor is good. Moved over to blower compartment. Found shorted out high limit switch. Replaced high limit switch with a spare part. Matching specs. Turn system on. System started with the AC. Went back to thermostat. Thermostat recently replaced. Programmed for heat pump. Reconfigured heat pump settings to conventional settings. Restarted system. System fired off. Replacement parts. Transformer. Limit switch. And we need a new burner assembly.